Find the best dining chairs on Amazon. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product I scored and buy. I am going to review top 15 best dining chairs on the market. 1. FDW Metal Dining Chairs. Our best choice for the best dining chairs for dining tables and anything else is the versatile, simple, but effective FDW Metal Dining Chairs. Its iron construction makes them highly durable, while the non-slip rubber feet provide both stability and protect your hardwood floors from potential damage. The ergonomic backrest provides lasting comfort, and with its stackable qualities, you will easily save on space. They may not be for everyone, especially if you're trying to cultivate a certain decor, but that doesn't stop them from being effortlessly useful and reliable for most people. 2. Furmax Pre-Assembled Modern Style Dining Chair. For a mix of convenience and top quality, the Furmax Pre-Assembled Modern Style Dining Chair offers plenty to get excited about. This set of 4 gives you everything you need for building a beautiful dining room, and with the alloy steel frame and matte finish seat, you've got something that will blend into most dining rooms the right way. Its real wooden legs denote quality, but the back might flex a little too much for some people, giving you a slight scare should you lean back too far. 3. FurnitureMaxx Lotusville Vintage Poo Leather Dining Chairs. With the stunning handcrafted design, there is nothing better than the FurnitureMaxx Lotusville Vintage Poo Leather Dining Chairs if you're looking for the best value dining chair. It comes with a Poo vintage leather cover that's both sophisticated and easy to clean, and the iron frame is sturdy and durable, which adds to the antique design. Some might find the chair a little too round, and they aren't stackable, but these are minor issues that still make it stand out as a superb choice. 4. HomePop Parsons Classic Upholstered Accent Dining Chair. If you're hoping to make your dining room pop, there is no better choice than the HomePop Parsons Classic Upholstered Accent Dining Chair. Here, you get a variety of color options that can make your dining room look like nothing people have ever seen before, making it ideal for various traditional decor schemes. The upholstery is easy to clean, and the chair is easy to assemble, although you might run into a few issues when locating the drill holes. 5. Homy Grigio Modern Living Dining Chairs. The Homy Grigio Modern Living Dining Room Accent Armchairs gives multiple set size options to suit both small and large households. Its range of seat colors makes it more appealing than the standard single colors offered by other products, while the solid wooden legs and natural finish make it suitable for just about anywhere, adding to the reliable frame. The high-density foam cushion is comfortable, too, but beware that they are not as large as they appear on pictures. 6. Roundhill Furniture Biony Tan Fabric Dining Chairs. Complete with a nailhead trim that adds stunning accents to your modernist dining chairs, you might consider the Roundhill Furniture Biony Tan Fabric Dining Chairs to be the best option for you. It is upholstered to suit more traditional homes, and the dark espresso finish on the legs provides exceptional contrast. The set of 2 may not be perfect for larger households, but you can always buy more. However, the cushions flatten a little too easily, and there's also a distinct chemical odor at first, although this will fade. 7. Christopher Knight Home Phinnaeus Fabric Dining Chairs. Anyone looking for high-quality room chair sets should consider the Christopher Knight Home Phinnaeus Fabric Dining Chairs, which uses a rubberwood frame with a distressed wood design to captivate guests, giving you something that blends perfectly into your home. The soft edges around the chair provide comfort, which combines with the extra plush seating. It is perfect for everyday use and extended seating periods, but we still found them a little unstable, which is surprising considering the price. 8. Signature Design by Ashley Whitesburg Dining Room Chair. The Signature Design by Ashley dining chair comes with a variety of colors to choose from and uses a stylish and contemporary ladder back style perfect for modern environments while also providing breathability. It is durable and easy to assemble, clean, and maintain thanks to the straightforward instructions, and the two-tone finish adds an appealing contrast without going overboard. As it's a solid wood seat, though you might need a cushion to relieve some of the pressure if you're sitting down for the foreseeable future. 9. Yaheetech Poo Leather Cushion Dining Chair. With 4 dining chairs in a set, the Yaheetech Poo Leather Cushion Diner Chair is ideal for adding the finishing touches to your family home. It boasts high-quality materials as well as plastic feet on the bottom of the legs to protect the floor. The padding is soft, and the overall design gives you some versatile placement options. It is breathable and solid, but it's smaller than you might expect when looking at the pictures, which would be a disappointment if you're not careful. 10. Safavieh American Homes Collection Dining Chair. Breathable and stable, the Safavieh American Homes Collection Dining Chair is easy to assemble and combines a black finish with rubberwood construction that gives you plenty to love. Its comfortable curved back will give you somewhere to lean back on without it digging into your back. It is also affordable, lightweight, easy to move, but also sturdy, ensuring lasting durability. We just wish they improved the packaging, as this could cause some issues before it even arrives. 11. Ashley Furniture Signature Design Dining Chair. The Ashley Furniture Signature Design, Leland Dining Upholstered Side Chair combines the standard with the ambitious thanks to the mix of the modern splat back chair design with neutral paisley that adds something unique to your dining chair options. It is easy to assemble, and its clean curves give you something that ensures comfort for anybody while blending into any living room. The legs, however, will get wobbly a little sooner than you might want them to, and we still have some concerns over its durability. 12. Ivinta Modern Dining Room Accent Armchairs. The Ivinta Modern Living Dining Room Accent Armchairs is one of the most convenient options you will come across thanks to its speedy 5-minute assembly. Besides this, you're also guaranteed some choice with 4 colors to pick from, while the lightweight design will trick you into thinking this isn't one that's built to last. In fact, it is one of the sturdiest choices around because of the X-shaped support frame. It might be too low for some dining tables, though, and some may find the seat a little too narrow. 13. HomePop Parsons Upholstered Accent Dining Chair. Offering a wide variety of upholstery patterns to suit everybody, the HomePop Parsons Upholstered Accent Dining Chair is one of the most appealing products around. Its full chair upholstery design provides an exceptional look, and it tops this off with the light cherry wood finish on the legs. The high back offers support, and its exquisite detailing makes it one of the most impressive choices around, even if some parts feel a little cheaper than the pictures suggest. 14. Christopher Knight Home Frankie Fabric Dining Chairs. Boasting an attractive light gray and walnut color combination that enhances the mid-century design, there's plenty to love about the Christopher Knight Home Frankie Fabric with walnut finish dining chairs. The compact style is great for small spaces, while the breathable chair back makes sitting down all day quite enjoyable. However, this also comes with the issue that the slim chair back might not be the most comfortable when leaning back, but this at the very least might teach you to correct your posture for good. 15. Poly and Bark Sedano Velvet Dining Chair. The Poly and Bark Sedano Velvet Dining Chair is the perfect addition for any readers that want to make a statement. The sleek velvet design comes with 3 colors to choose from that bring the mid-century style to the forefront, while the walnut-colored legs and non-marking rubber feet add crucial elements for durability. It is easy to assemble, completed in just 5 minutes, while the foam padding and retro style make it both comfortable and surefire conversation starter. Just be prepared to care for the velvet more often than you would a regular upholstered chair.
Thanks for watching. You can find links, price and description to these products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.